Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Mercedes Vito. The AC condenser on this van is located behind the AC condenser fan, which is right there. So in order to get access to it, we need to remove this grill, and also we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the grill, we need to remove those 3 bolts. Now that the bolts are removed, we just pull out the grill. That's the grill out. Next, we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the 2 front wheels to make it easier for these wheel arch liners to move to the side. Next, we're going to remove all the plastic clips holding the wheel arch liner, which is one up there, there is one there, that's cable ties on my van. Once the wheel archer is free, we're going to just move it to the back, and we'll have access to the bolt holding the front bumper on the side. We do the same on this side as well. Now that the 2 wheel arch liners are moved to the side, we'll have access to the bolt holding the front bumper. This is the bolt right there, and it's the same on the other side. Next, we're going to remove those 2 bolts holding the bumper on the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. These are the bolts right there, one there. There's one there which is missing on mine. On the other side again it's missing, it's broken, and one on top right there. There might be also some bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. In my case there isn't any. So next I'm going to remove the bumper. To remove the bumper I need to just pull to the front the bumper, and it will come out. And that's the bumper out. Next, we're going to remove the AC condenser fan. To remove the AC condenser fan, we're going to need to remove those bolts that I'm showing you. One up there, one over there, one in the middle, one to the right, and one on here on the bottom, which is right there. Now that the bolts are removed, we can take out the AC condenser fan. There is an electrical connector that we need to disconnect from the fan, and also there is one hydraulic pipe that we need to remove. This one right there, and now we can take the fans out. Now that the fans are out of its place, we can disconnect the two electrical connectors and take out the wiring harness. And that's the AC condenser fan out. Next, we need to remove those air intake hoses. We're also going to remove the air filter housing that's on top of the engine. Next, we need to remove all the bolts holding this metal panel. These are the two bolts right there. Also, we need to remove the bolt for the headlights, the two bolts for the headlights, and that bolt as well. We'll take out the headlight as well. And on the other side, two bolts there and three bolts on the headlight. First, we'll remove the bolts for the headlight and take out the headlight. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts on the two sides holding this metal panel. Now we'll take out the headlight. We'll just disconnect the electrical connectors and take out the headlights. Next, we're going to get a rope and grab those hoses and wiring harnesses and just move them to the back so that they're not in our way to take out the condenser. Next, we need to disconnect the AC lines that go into the AC condenser. These are the two AC lines, so we need to remove those two nuts and then pull out the AC lines. The second AC line is a little bit stuck, so I'm going to use a screwdriver just to put the screwdriver in between the AC line and the condenser, and I'm going to wiggle it a little bit and the AC line will come out eventually. Next, I'll show you how the radiator and the AC condenser is holding to this metal plate. It's holding by those tabs right there, which we need to push in on both sides, and then just push in the radiator and the condenser. I'm using these kind of pliers just to push in this plastic tab, and you saw how it got released. Now we do the same on the other side. These plastic tabs are to release the radiator from this plastic or metal panel. To release now the the radiator and the AC condenser are moving together, but in order to release the AC condenser from the radiator, there's two other plastic tabs that we need to push in, and the two plastic tabs are, one of them is right there. We need to push them in, with the pliers, and then push the radiator to the back, and the same on this side. Again, just push towards each other the two plastic tabs, and you see how the AC condenser will get released from the radiator. And we can see now that the AC condenser and the radiator are free from each other. Next, we're going to take out the AC condenser. To get access to the AC condenser, we're going to move forward as much as possible this metal panel, and you see how now we have a bit more access to the AC condenser. I'll show you a closer view of what exactly we see. This is the AC condenser that we're going to remove. You can see it's free from the radiator, so now we just need to take it out. Maybe pull out a little bit more this plastic metal panel, so that we get a little bit more space, and we'll wiggle it a little bit and take out the condenser. And that's the AC condenser out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. There is a high pressure switch right there, which we need to put onto the new condenser. Make sure you change the O-ring on it. This is the new AC condenser. We've already put on the high pressure switch. Now we're going to fill it up with about 50 milliliters of AC oil, pack 46. And then we're going to put the AC condenser back on the car. Before connecting the two AC lines, make sure you replace the O-rings on them. And now we're going to put back on the new AC condenser. It's again a little bit tight space like it was when we were taking it out, but it will go in eventually. That's the condenser now in its place. Next we're going to assemble everything in the reverse order, and then we're done with replacing the AC condenser. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.